Welcome back to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix Twitter lag on Samsung S23 Ultra. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Twitter app from here. Click on Twitter app and click on story and clear cache Twitter app. After clear cache Twitter app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, again click on settings app. Click on general management. Click on reset and reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on continue. Click on reset. So it just reset all settings. It's not and move your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.